Here's the bus stop. New York City Off-Broadway week. 2 for 4 tickets? Now what's this? In the middle. Oh, that's the wrong way. In the middle of the street. The best one tonight. And I'm just filming it. Now this isn't a star. Why didn't I walk to the end of the block? This is much better to film than the one I just wasted almost 12 minutes on. Have to start another one, folks. It's just too good out here tonight. Now this is, give you an example, in the middle of the street. Tap on the light meter. It's bigger, see? Can you hear me? Can you acknowledge? This is your favorite. Wow. This is your favorite earthling from down below. Catching the strange sights in the sky. Doesn't look like the energy one that I was just filming. It's a sphere. It isn't a star. It isn't a drone. It's super bright. It's right above the buildings, right in the middle of the street, high up in the sky. What is it? Do you know? Can you tell me? I can only guess at what it is, folks. It's something different, something you're not used to seeing. People just walking down the street looking at their phones. It's so bizarre. That's what technology's done. Oh, there was one guy at the Oscars. The Oscars is tonight. And he kept saying, oh, please excuse my bad English. And it seemed like he was promoting bad English. And he's looking down on his wonderful cell phone to read his From the Heart Oscar speech. That's where we're all going. Just read it from your phone. Personally, I'd rather talk to people in person. I don't like texting. I hate it. The only thing it's good for is telling your boss you're not coming in today. It's the only thing it's good for. But that's just an opinion. This one's real white with a kind of beige hollow center. Okay, I press the light meter. It's small. Change color. Now it gets big again. So, looks like I got 2 good videos for the night. The most in weeks. And you might have wondered if I got beamed up or something, or if I'm going to make any more videos. It's not that at all. It's just the crappy weather, and tonight it's clear. This is where you see these things. Well, I've got some good still photography on rainy nights of UFOs, but usually when it's really rainy or cloudy, you can't see anything. Only if it cuts through the grease, you can see it, you know. Goes the cop wall right through. thought it was an ambulance. Yeah, I'll keep it at this size. Oh, it's a nice size. And looks like an eye a little bit. It's a globe that changes shape. And it's got, it looks more solid. It's got a little bit of a different color in the center. It's mostly white and big. And you saw it change shape several times. And this is the second video I'm shooting tonight. Because I was just going to this Korean deli on the corner to get something, and about to cross the street, and boom, it's right there. Right there. See it? You can see it, sure you can. There you go. Not a star. It's not trick photography. It's not a drone. It just is. It is what it is. A cliche is just a cliche. Yeah, this is the coldest it's been in a while. But it's supposed to get warmer during the week. You know, March can be very tricky. It can be very cold. But most New Yorkers here, they're getting tired of it. They're breaking out the shorts and the tank tops. They want to go to the beach. It's a little too early for that. It's baseball spring training. And it's the Oscar night, March 2nd, 2025. My dear friends across the world, if you are tuning in. Yeah, I had to get this one. I said, hey, I filmed enough, you know. I made a 12-minute plus video with two different, more an energy, small energy thing in the sky. And this is, I don't know what it is. It could be gas. It could be hydrogen. It's not a planet. It's very bright. Stars do not look like this. And they're not big and round like this. And it's a type of cloudy thing, because you see it's a little bit transparent on the left side. And I will let this go a little bit longer, and hope you're enjoying your night. Hope you're enjoying your Oscar night with all these sincere thanks. For their awards. There's a new movie out, I think it's called Mickey 17, with Robert Pattinson, the one that was in Twilight, the vampire movies. And it seems pretty interesting, but it seems like another one of these pre-COVID kind of some disease out there. And I want to see it just out of curiosity. I might go Tuesday. But Have you heard of it? This isn't just about movies, it's about UFOs mainly, but gotta fill the air and space. Talk about something. There goes the bus. I'm right in front of the bus stop. It's stopping for nobody. Woo. Where are we here? There we are. Okay, it's more green. There we go. You know what? I notice it's spinning around a lot more. Revolutions per second. So there's something strange going up here in the sky. Some kind of strange, transparent globe. Looks kind of 3D, but I'm sure you could fly right through it. Could be a portal to another world. I don't think it's Elon Musk and his Tesla stuff. Not at all. So, I think you'll like this other one that I'm finishing up right now. Please order your Strange Sights in the Sky t-shirts on sale now on both Zazzle and Spreadshirt. The link will be in the video below. With that being said, dear friends, good to see you again. Hope you really enjoyed this one and the other one that I will post. Probably this one tonight, come to think of it. Forget what I said before. And I will see you in the next one, most likely tomorrow. Okay, have a great night. Enjoy the Oscars.